So. Says that it's very well signed. Yeah. And. They got a problem there. Here. Ready?
I told him I would chat.
Natalie said, you're shaking me down. Well, I'm gonna get me. Let me go and hear of it.
No, nothing. We don't always have to.
Well, just came in.
Yeah. Well, this one she said over there, so.
Live, 34th District Court is now in session. I'm Brian.
Good morning, folks. Have a seat. You on? You good?
Yep, I'm good, thank you.
People versus Jeremiah Jackson.
Good morning, Your Honor. We have a conflict variant on behalf of Jeremiah Jackson, who purchased my lawn.
Good morning, gentlemen. Counsel, is it safe for me to assume that you two are not going to object to a dismissal?
Notice. Oh, no objection.
All right, case is dismissed. Enjoy your day. You're welcome.
We can do Valley the Medina.
I'm looking for a Hadley. Oh, there we go. Marshawn Black.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
I'm Josh Advocating on behalf of Mr. Marshall Black, who's sitting right directly.
Marshawn Black.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm set for arraignment pre-trial and way before arraignment, as the court term pleaded not guilty, and I'd like to resolve this matter today via the people's plea offer. The disorderly and intoxicated person will be dismissed. Mr. Black will be pleading guilty. Stipulation, I believe it was the comfort in
Quality.
quality thing.
Yep.
Not the quality.
Yep. Okay. All right, sir. Do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Hadley?
Yes, sir.
You understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to this added charge today? Are you pleading guilty?
Yeah.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
November 8, 24 is our incident date. If you were to voir dire, counsel?
Absolutely. On November 8th of 2024, were you present in the city of Romulus, state of Michigan, County of Action?
Yes.
And on that date, did you have a conversation? Where your voice was raised and it may have distracted or caused other people to turn their attention to your conversation. Where you have. Yeah. So, in that conversation, it disturbed the orderly business that they were conducting.
Yes.
Your Honor, I think the elements of it satisfied.
All right. So do I. I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Black?
Mr. Black stands before this court humbly and says this was a bad night. Again, the election night was it wasn't bad the election. It sounds like there was some pretty heated emotions that were going on in some discussions. Lost the school. Those were incredibly sorry for what happened. Sincerely doesn't really expect to be back here again. I think it's gonna be a one-off.
All right. Are you working?
Yes.
Where at?
AMC, Roses, American Home,
How long you been in the business?
2 years.
Good. Thank you. Anything else you want me to consider?
Is there anything else you want to say to the judge? Just give me a chance. I have to say anything. Nothing.
Okay. All right. I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation. Condition number 1 is no new criminal charges. Condition number 2 is stay away from the Quality Inn at 9555 Middle Belt. Fines and court costs total $400. Can you pay that today?
Not today.
Go downstairs at the front counter and they'll talk options with you. Any questions?
No.
You're all set. Everything else I got is Medina, I think.
She's right here.
Okay.
Oh, right.
Are these in the order they came in?
Yes.
Have a good day.
All right.
I don't have any other file with your name on it.
Your Honor, I have a Jarrell Warren, it's just gonna be a journal.
I have that.
So, yeah, we're done.
Miss Medina, Tammy Regay? How do you say it? Regay, come on up.
Christopher Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Gay. Mr. Gay, would you please say your full name for the record, ma'am? Tammy Gay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, at this time, well, with regard to the arraignment, we would wait for a reading and my client is prepared to plead guilty to no operator's license on a person, Your Honor, in exchange the original driving while license is.
Thank you.
Dismissed.
This, I figured it out. Yep. And ma'am, did you understand your rights and options when you discussed those with counsel? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that added charge today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on May 6, 2024 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I will accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. What should I consider before I sentence, counsel?
Mr. Gay indicates that she does reside locally here in Romulus with her father. She understands that she should not be driving without a valid license. She indicates that she is not employed around here. She does receive social security disability at this time. I do believe she would need to set up a payment plan.
Okay.
We would ask that the court impose fines and costs. She has accepted responsibility.
Okay. What's the status of the license? Any light at the end of the tunnel to get it back?
I was working on that when it was started.
Okay, this is probably gonna set you back, you understand that? Okay, all right. Anything you want me to consider, ma'am? All right, fines and costs on the file, $400. I'll send you downstairs and they can talk about your options. Payment plan, work some of the money off with community service, all the options you can discuss downstairs. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. You take care of yourself. Okay, so just make sure to go talk.
Is it Jaron Walzak? Jaron or Jaron? Come on up. Walzak, right?
Christopher Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Walls. Mr. Walls, would you please go? It's weird, but can you go ahead and state it again?
Yeah, all that.
Your Honor, with regard to formal reading and stand mute, my client is prepared to plead responsible to a civil infraction, Your Honor. An agreed upon amount of $400.
Okay.
You open the tax. Is that correct, sir?
All right, I'll take your plea. Can you pay the $4 today?
I cannot.
All right, options downstairs.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Next up is Frazier.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Frazier. Ms. Frazier, would you please say your full name is record?
Andrew Frazier.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we did have an opportunity to pre-try this matter. Ms. Frazier is prepared to plead guilty to interfering with police officers in exchange on the other charges. I believe there was 3 additional charges would be dismissed, Your Honor.
Okay, so she's gonna plead straight up to count 2, counts 1, 3, and 4 dismissed. Okay, all right. Did you discuss your rights with counsel today? You understand those rights and the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge today?
Yes.
Counsel, would you voir dire, incident date September 18?
Yes, Your Honor. Ma'am, on September 18th, were you in the city of Romulus?
Yes.
And have you consumed alcohol on that date, ma'am?
Yes.
Would you consider that you may have caused a disturbance? Where you guys picked yourself to leave the specific location?
Yes.
And did you fail to do so?
Yes.
Satisfy Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss counts 1, 3, and 4. What should I know before I sentence Ms. Frazier?
She lives in Ypsilanti by herself. She indicates she's not currently on probation or parole. She has been gainfully employed at McDonald's for approximately 3 months, Your
Okay.
Honor. She accepted responsibility today. I was going to suggest that we request a discovery, proceed further in this matter, and she just wanted to go ahead and accept responsibility for her actions. She indicates that, and it was not an idea.
It was a bad day.
Yep, I'm gonna go with what my colleague indicated.
Okay.
It was not a great day.
Okay,
Thank you.
all right. Ms. Frazier, is there anything you want to add to that? Don't feel that you have to. All right. So I've dismissed the 3 original counts. On count 2, fines a cost $500. That money's due within 5 days, which means we got to have it or we got to have a plan in place to get it. So if you go downstairs, they'll tell you what your options are. Any questions? Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
How about Anthony Laird?
Christopher, Bettina.
Ms. Frazier.
Oh.
Sorry.
Ms. Frazier.
I got it.
We met, let her go.
Gotta go,
There's a note about a warrant.
No, yeah, they haven't done anything with it. So
If we can catch her, we'll give her a date for that and get her back in.
What's her last
it
name?
should have been today.
Frazier.
Oh, if she would have given it to us, if the clerk would have pulled it, we'd have handled it. It's Ryan's case.
Oh, what is it?
Government
It's not the same obstruction charge?
functions. Now, this was interfering, yes, same day, same time.
Yeah, I think that was one of the 4 counts.
No,
Seriously.
disorderly interfered.
I can just talk-
And disorderly.
Sorry to interrupt, but I could just talk to David. He'll probably kick that.
Yeah, probably. Ms. Frazier, you got one more charge that was up today that got missed. So just have a seat and let the attorney work that out.
I'll figure it out here. Thank you so
All
much.
right, I'm sorry, Mr. Laird. Go ahead.
Crystal Bettina, on behalf of Mr. Laird, with regard to, sir, we just say your full name for the record.
Thank you.
With regard to the arraignment, from most meeting and standing, Your Honor, my client is preparing to plead guilty to malicious destruction of property. There is a recommendation and the people have consented.
Yep.
To be in this case for a period of 6 months. Mr. Laird is remorseful for the way the situation was handled. It's a difficult situation with an employer. He did not feel that he had been treated fairly, and he should have handled things differently. He is here today to accept responsibility for that, Your Honor.
Thank you. You know if the complainant was here today?
I know that there were detailed notes. No, I do not think the complainant was here, but I know that Mr. Greco had detailed notes in which the complainant is not seeking restitution.
Okay,
Further, the complainant, I guess he had discussed this with him because he had specified that he was not seeking restitution.
okay, thank you. All right, you understand your rights and your options? And you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Those a yes? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right, you want to voir dire for me? Incident date, October 25?
Okay, sir, on October 25, were you in the city of Romulus?
I was.
And sir, at that time, did you grab an object and throw it through a window?
I did.
And did that window belong to you? It was a vehicle, correct?
Yeah.
Satisfied, Your
I
Honor.
am too. What should I know?
Your Honor, he was just became employed with Gardner White. He indicates that he is currently in training and expects to be on full time. He's had a period of unemployment given the circumstance. He indicates he resides in Southgate with his brother. He is not currently on probation or parole.
Okay, this was a work situation that went south?
Work situation.
Okay, and you're working now?
Yeah.
Where at?
White.
Gardner White. Okay, anything else I should know? All right, I'll go along with the delayed sentence for 6 months. Court costs set in the amount of $500. You've heard me tell people how to work that out. All right, anything else? You're welcome.
Oh, Your Honor.
I want to talk to Mr. Greco and then I'm going to call your next file.
Oh, okay.
I'll talk to you now. You all set with it? Is he gonna go to collection? I'm good.
Yeah, collections.
Yes.
Curtly, you're up next. Mr. Greco? Mr. Greco?
This is.
Season, yes. Joseph Warren, the story beginning at the only broken starting only propio, something that means. And you were. See that we have business in your studies level.
Same substance added. Okay. First name is just.
Instead of showing, it's just say it's like Samuel line.
Yeah,
something like that.
that's the, yeah.
Okay. You got phone numbers for these guys? Because I'm assuming they're gonna go to the water.
Yeah, no, obviously they're very nice and I've done them.
Okay. What's it, you know what that is, Cypress Cypress, how does this say?
Yeah, it's hard for, there is a business.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah, if you give me a number, I appreciate it.
All right. Curtly, come on up. Counsel.
Christopher Medina, on behalf of Mr. Purdy. Mr. Purdy, would you please see your name for the record, sir? Your Honor, with regard to the arraignment, we would waive formal reading and stand mute. Mr. Purdy is prepared to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, as well as a double parking, Your Honor, with an agreed upon, fine.
All right, Mr. Curtly. Between the two of us. Mr. Curtly, did you discuss your rights and options today? You understand those rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for allow an unlicensed driver to operate?
Yeah.
And understanding all of that, you're pleading guilty to that charge, correct? Freely and voluntarily? All right. Counsel, would you voir dire November 2, 24?
November 2, yes, sir, on November 2nd of 2024. And at that time, were you operating,
yes.
so you allowed yourself to drive that motor vehicle knowing you do not have a license? Yes or no? Is it a yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. So is the intention, because the number on here is 550 for
The double part.
plus whatever I do for the misdemeanor. All right. Any objections if I just dismiss outright the civil infraction and just hit him harder fines and costs on the misdemeanor? To him, it's no difference, but it saves them work. Understand? We're just processing one file instead of two that way. You're okay with that?
I think.
All right.
On Mr. Greco's part.
Okay. What should I know about the gentleman before I sentence?
I want to read. Examination of the driving license. He is making efforts to obtain another license, and this resolution hopefully will put him in an okay position.
Yeah. You working?
I'm disabled.
Okay. What's standing between you and a license? What do you got to do to get right? Okay. All right. So you got to wait a year before you can ask. Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to know? All right. Let's see. Fines and costs total $1,000. I'm going to send you downstairs to talk about options because I'm assuming you didn't bring a grand with you today. All right. Understand you have options that don't include money. So ask them about that downstairs. And last one I've got ready is Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor, he does require a Spanish interpreter. However, there's a resolution to 2 civil infractions. I am prepared to, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Gracias, señor. Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Hernandez, with regard to the arraignment, I would wait for more reading and standing you confidently, Your Honor. I have been able to speak to him directly in his foreign and native language, and I'm going to ask him to state his name for the record.
Rafael Antonio Hernandez.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I am prepared to be responsible on his behalf. I believe it was an impeding traffic with an agreed upon amount of $500. Parking with an agreed upon amount of $550, Your Honor.
All right. And same thing. I'm going to take it one file and hit him for 1,050 on that file.
Ok, perfecto. So lo que él va a hacer es que en vez de 2 infracciones de parqueo, va a ser una infracción de parqueo, se le va a cobrar la cantidad completa. Ok, se van a hacer 1,005 y una infracción de parqueo.
I'll put it on.
Pay $500 today, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to put it on the B file if that's all right. All right. Sure. Sure.
So vas a pagar 500 horas. Okay? And when you give him.
Yep. Mr. Hernandez, as per your agreement, total fines and costs $1,050.
De acuerdo, en los totales son $1,050. And then it's just gonna be one person. One person. Okay? Okay,
We'll accept 500 today and you can set up payments on the rest.
so puedes pagar 500 hoy y ya el resto puedes coordinar con ellos y esa es mi información, señor, ¿ok? Cuídate mucho, ándale pues, pues es muy bien.
Say,
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Oh, that was quick. Thanks. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Yeah, very nice.
Awesome.
Send that out.
But that little team, and the next thing is going to two acres. And then this family owns 20 acres. So there's 1,600 feet. They're telling me to bring it. I gotta go cross that little points because it can't hit a dead.
Okay, yeah,
So my purposes, that's like 50,000 acres.
yeah,
So this might do something simple.
right.
I talked to this guy, he's like, yeah, I'm interested in talking about it. My thought is if we could come across here and come across here and we can all split the cost, then we've all got water on.
We've all got it. Yeah, he's a very nice man.
Well, I'm
Yeah.
assuming they bought this with the idea to do something.
Right,
I mean, even if they're gonna sell it, why there's gonna be worth.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
you're
I figured-
setting it up and split the cost.
That's, I think it's worth talking about. Yeah, thanks. That was, I mean, talk about serendipity.
Yeah.
I mean, I just sent the letter yesterday.
Right.
It was a,
Government.
Okay.
Just same day, same.
They have the- they have the-
We think.
No.
Let's kick it. Thank you, Judge, if I could bring that, give that back to you.
Yeah.
Ms. Frazier.
Dismissed?
Yep.
I'm not gonna put it on the record.
Oh, okay. Dismiss it. Ms. Frazier, you're all set, it's being dismissed.
Hey, Dave. How do you say the last thing? Roger?
No, I don't know. I just know he goes by Sam.
Well, if there's a business, I might just stop by the Cypress address.
Yeah. Well, if it's the same address, there is a business though.
That's the address that's on the assessor's office to the blank 20 acres, the vacant 20 acres. Hold on. No,
I just put with Vic.
you gave me the one I brought as well. Sorry.
she gave you the one that.
Oh, you got the other one?
I have a piece of paper with the
Oh,
name.
that's all right.
Yeah, but he goes,
Yeah, right, right.
yeah, but he goes by Sam, very nice man.
Okay, thanks. Is this guy out here yours?
Yes, sir.
German?
We're setting for a FPT with a complaint to
Okay, what's the name?
Dante Carey,
Carrie with a K or a C?
C.
Thank you.
We're gonna do that once.
All right, you don't need it on the record.
No, I think
I can.
Dave knows that the CW's too.
I'm gonna make a note in the file to that effect.
Cool.
What date did you pick?
The second. No, that's. And you're on, this is, do we hand the form directly to you? Need to go to.
Sure, sure.
I just saw an email from you. My phone, I can't figure out where I put it.
Oh, that's fine. It was just the step.
Is that 8:50? Is that the
Yeah.
time? All right, Mr. Carey, we're gonna get you notice for this new court date. Your bond's continued. You're welcome.
I have a lot of.
You adjourned one a minute ago, though. Do you remember the name on it?
Jarrell Warren.
Warren? Thanks.
You didn't even have, people. So. Yeah, I got the other stuff done for you.
Okay.
We're gonna scan that and send it over. That was fun though, because I had to do the little bit of the legwork on the tax book, 'cause I hadn't read it in a while. I'm like, man, things have changed a little bit.
Am I right? Is there still an exemption if I transfer it to one entity I control to another?
That part was easy.
Okay.
The hard part was how to get your exemption file, like the legwork of, do I fill out, where's my TPS report? Is this Form B or Form C?
Well, it
Like
used to be, you just had to reference the exemption where it says
on
how
the,
much the revenue tax is. You just said exempt under MCL, blah, 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 blah.
now it looks like there's, I
I gotta
got
file an affidavit or something?
with the state.
Okay.
So there's like it's a two prong or something. The
Okay.
county's got to get notified, and there was something with the state treasurer. It
Okay.
sounded like.
Great. I didn't know all that.
Yeah, it took me a minute. So it's one of those fun ones where I'm like, well, good. I need to know these things.
Okay.
Every so often. anyway.
Good.
Just curious, hypothetically speaking,
We are live streaming, you know.
I'll ask Lily.
Here.
What's a hypothetical? I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. So. If an attorney is running a plaintiff civil litigation. Also is like the principal owner of a debt collection. May they sell? It's a different, what it looks like right now is the law firm who is the plaintiff attorney. Of an original case, assigned. Well, there's no judgment. It's a claim to a breach of the release. So there's already a fight about standing. Standing. As I was going through trying to figure out who owned the debt collection company that assumed the interest of the ability to file this. And it
Is there a plane
started-
out there in the hallway?
Yeah, I'll take it out. So, you know, I was just like, I went through the rules of professional conduct and it almost sounds like if you disclose
Yeah.
that I have an interest in these different businesses, it's not really an issue.
That's.
What was interesting was I looked, at this. So the plaintiff's claim as somebody who was a debt collection from who inherited, you know, purchased it, right? They're seeking just short of 25K. And they bought the right to seek this for $10 consideration. That part felt, when I saw that on the, cause I was like, hey,
You're Joe Wall.
so, you
You got this $25,000 plane. You go to Chase, returns to $510.
you're never gonna get any money on this deadbeat. I'll tell you, it's $10 is better than nothing. I'll knock it off your bill.
Yes. So,
And I could be wrong because it's really difficult through LARA and the state.
right.
I don't have access to like articles of organization to find out who was involved. I can't figure out how to do that. So because I don't do this very
I
often.
think it's available through water.
So what I can find is who's the registered agent.
Right.
You can find their articles of incorporation, their annual renewals. But I can't find any other name than the registered agent, which is the same attorney
Right.
for both.
Which that would be for.
Sure.
Purely
Represent both.
Yeah.
Still look.
It's still,
It's a $10 consideration for a $25,000
But-
claim.
but it doesn't smell as bad if I say, hey, that's a client of mine, but I can tell you right now, I'll give you $10.
Yeah, they'll give you something for Russ Kevin, you know, and you can just move it off your plate. Call it your tax, tell your accountant it's a loss and move on.
Right.
So there may be a legit business reason that you would just do that, to say, I want this off my books.
But
And
it
not claim
doesn't, it smells, it smells a little.
And it, just the registered agent name being the same for both. Didn't really trip the spidey senses, but when I saw the $10 consideration, wasn't a penny and it wasn't 1,000, it was a really weird number. I'm like, you're one of those phone jockey, 200-person declaration things.
No.
I didn't know.
Because you know what they'll settle for, where you do a few of those, like, buying these.
It's me,
It's gonna say, oh, because you'll take 50, yeah, because you'll take this.
Well, you know, I can. So you want to just take. Price to pay.
I got you guys.
I said.
Well, I understand, but I got some. I'll, got you. Maybe I was ready to go.
It's gonna be in the Swiss license.
Oh,
Business equation. Yeah, it's not.
No, I took a phone. The Friday is. And we was saying, don't like. You go with the sun today, this is.
We'll file that, and then the final.
Oh, okay, yeah, we already discussed two of them.
That's a good one. What was created. Again, much less. And if it's nothing on there, it stays. Yeah. Oh.
I mean, as long as there's nothing on the top sheet, right?
And it's celebrated, it sits here for 11 months or so, and I appreciate, yeah, I bet they probably got some kind of like actuary payment, or just.
Research.
It's fascinating.
Yeah, there's nothing on here. Mr. Everson, you're free to go, sir. You have a good day.
but it depends, say, the paper. He could have picked somebody when he could walk away from that. All I'm getting is a right to chase the guy. So I can't get it.
And you're in the, and the debt collector's about to assume a huge financial cost of their own to go pursue it.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not that out of whack. It's just.
But I thought like 10 for 25.
Sounds a little.
Right. Here, I got one for you. I had this conversation with Brent, because I had a fight with a flavor with guy. Or does he have people waiting for him as
Oh, I
well?
don't know, was she,
No, nobody.
oh, you know what, that guy may have,
Go ahead, go
let
ahead.
me just see if he's.
I'm sorry, I'll be right back.
I think we pretty much moved it through.
Well, we got a lot more files. We wouldn't have any bodies out there. We got anybody zooming today?
We gave the one person permission and it doesn't look like he decided to jump on that.
All right, I guess we got one or two from another, not a few out.
Go ahead.
Yeah, just, don't let me bug you before we, yeah.
That was just general BSing.
No. I like that too. I didn't even ask Heather, do we have anybody?
Nobody's on Zoom.
She just told me there's one guy who gave permission, but he didn't show up yet.
Oh, it's a weird flex move, getting permission to don't use it.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So what happened to the guy with the tether violation? They're supposed to bring him out, right?
He ended up going over to L.
Oh, after all that,
Yeah, exactly. That's what Andy was complaining about.
but they
Which
didn't,
was my
they
month.
didn't get him here.
Well, no, they're not bringing him here. He's on video.
Oh,
He was on video the whole time.
hey, look at this Christmas tree.
Oh my gosh.
It's all black cats.
Yes. That's awesome.
My sister sent me a text the other night. She said, I'm an idiot. I need your live trap. She feeds everything in the neighborhood. So, in matter of fact, she's two houses down from my buddy Chuck and he's always bitching about, he loves my sister, but he's always bitching about the fact that, raccoons cause problems at his house and she's feeding them on her front foot.
Mhm.
So I don't know what the hell she was thinking, but one of the feral cats, she let it somehow, well, she's got one of the bedrooms that as soon after she moved in the house was converted to her foster room. So I mean, she fosters puppies and kittens and she's had squirrels and possums. So somehow this cat was in that room and she was hiding all the stuff. So she sent me a text this morning. She said, I caught him last night. Now I got to figure out what to do. And
Oh.
matter of fact, I almost sent a text to Emily because Emily will put her cat down last night. Our Emily, that she wasn't planning on. That's like she didn't come into that. So I sent her a text, sorry to hear about your cat. I almost tagged on when you're ready for a new one, let me know, but I thought, yeah, too soon. Because my sister's always got kittens for trying to get rid of them. This is pretty good too. Wine plus I like shopping.
Oh my gosh, that is good.
You heard the A-word machine? No.
We didn't even stop at the one. Let's do.
Oh, this, surround yourself with people who fight for you in rooms you're not in. Oh, wow. You know Richard Branson?
Yes.
So in 1978, he was trying to impress his girlfriend. So he made an offer on a private island,
Mhm.
just trying to impress her. He offered $100,000. The asking price was 6 million. He bought it for 180.
1,000?
The guy was asking 6 million.
Oh my
That's
God.
just weird.
And that's the island that, I think the last one of the hurricanes came, he was on there. And he housed all of his
Yeah.
staff and everybody, and they were all downstairs, like, so pictures of everybody in, sleeping bags and everything, because it was his family, his staff, everybody was in.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Like a nice guy.
Just spicy. All right, ready?
I'm not sure.
Oh, wow.
Look at this, Jamie. That's pretty cool.
Wow.
All right, your appearance for Miss Scott.
Good morning, Madam Judge. I think we have, Scott, please state your name.
That's it.
Thank you.
It's dream right there.
That's pretty cool. All right, I'm trying to find her on the list. No objections to a dismissal? Is that a no? All right. Dismissed.
You gotta see our dismissal Nancy. I'll teach you out of here. Thank you very, very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You guys are all set. Last time.
Thank you. I wonder how you keep the damn things in place until you must have to,
Yeah.
you must have to put them, you must have to freeze them before you stack them, right?
Maybe, but we're.
But must have to. There's igloo, water balloon igloo building tips. And designs. Holy cow, they have biodegradable balloons. Did you know that?
No. Mhm.
A lot of work.
Yeah, it looked like it. So did you saw how on an investor that United Healthcare guy got killed?
Yeah.
This video. So they say that that is the #1 insurance company that denies claims. Well, then I guess a different insurance company yesterday decided to come out and the news post was like, this wasn't a good day for them to put this out. So a different insurance company put out that they are now going to only pay for for a surgery that they feel, for the amount of time that they feel that it should have taken. So if like you get your gallbladder out, it's only take an hour, that's all they're paying for, but if you have complications.
That's like
and
the
it goes
body
on-
shops do stuff, because the book says it's supposed to take 4 hours to change your fender.
Yeah. And it's, yeah, that's how they're gonna
Well, you know,
do it.
that's my first thought when I was in the barber shop when it was on the news when I was in there. And I'm thinking, we're gonna find out that's some guy whose wife's medical bills
Yeah,
got
yeah, that's what
turned
they're
down,
saying
stuff
on
like
the news
that.
too.
But the more I heard about that, it started to sound like some kind of professional hit,
Mhm.
or it was just a really smart guy that did it, because
Well, they're saying that backpack that he had is a really super, super, super expensive backpack, and they're thinking they can almost probably be able to lead him back to that. Because it's like such a distinguished.
yeah, it's not like there's a gazillion of them out there.
Right, and they said that they can probably figure that, somebody else said that they can probably
Right.
figure, but you know,
That's
there's a lot
crazy.
of. And then he's a professional shooter because when his gun locked up, he knew how to unjam it
Yeah.
because they were showing the video.
Yeah. But, I mean, you know, most guys that shoot as a hobby know that, you know what I mean? It's not
Oh,
like he's gotta be a trained operator.
True,
So
so
they
somebody
just-
that knows how to shoot a gun.
yeah, they just changed the location for my freaking Tuesday night meetings.
Did they? Where to?
This is high school,
Where was it at?
board office, which is right on Grant Road, which is
Oh, okay. Close.
10 minutes, 5 minutes closer for me. Yeah, I hope it's okay, but we moved the location. I guess it is.
You have no choice.
Oh, I don't care. What are you worried about? The fact there's nothing going on?